ridiculous, काबिल तमस्खुर, मज़ाइका हेज़, ऊट पटांग, अहमकाना, नामकूल. Extremely silly, stupid, fool, unreasonable, and deserving to be laughed at. Let's see through the examples. Look at this guy. This guy is looking ridiculous because of having stupid, silly, and unreasonable haircut. Check out this guy. He is ridiculous because of his stupid, silly, and erratic actions. I mean, can you really fly like this? No, you can't, so don't be ridiculous. Donald Trump says people suffering from COVID-19 should be injected with toxic disinfectants. What a ridiculous thought. What a ridiculous statement. Slurp, चपड़ चपड़ करके खाना या यूं खाना पीना कि मुंह से आवाज सुनाई दे. Drink or eat something with a loud sucking noise or sound. For example, have a look at this guy. So next time कोई आपके सामने ऐसे खाए या पिए, बजाय इसके कि आप उसको बोलें don't drink and eat like this, आप ये बोलें don't slurp please, don't slurp please. Brown nose, चापलूसी करना, खुशामद करना, चमचागिरी करना या मक्खन लगाना. Flatter or praise with the intention of getting something dishonestly, or by licking or kissing someone's feet. Examples: this guy is brown nosing by polishing the shoes of his boss. This guy is flattering and serving his boss to get promotion. Question: what is the secret behind the success of many people nowadays? And the answer is brown nosing. The one who does all this stuff, we call him brown noser. Grudge, रंजिश, बुग़्ज़, इनाद या हसद करना. A strong feeling of anger and dislike for a person who treated you badly and harmed you in the past. किसी ऐसे शख्स के लिए सख्त नाराज़गी और नापसंदीदगी का शदीद एहसास होना कि जिसने आपके साथ बुरा सलूक किया हो. For example, in this picture, the boss got angry with employee for some reasons, and the employee has feelings of anger and dislike towards her boss for being treated unfairly. In fact, she's holding or having a grudge against her boss. Please note one thing here: when you construct or make a sentence with this word grudge, use these collocations: hold a grudge, have a grudge, carry a grudge, bear a grudge, or harbor a grudge. Knackered, knackered बोलते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा थका हुआ. Extremely tired. Examples: I am really knackered. I need to sleep now. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थका हुआ हूँ, मुझे अब सोना है. I was knackered by the end of the match. मैं खेल के ख़त्म होने पर बहुत ज़्यादा थका हुआ था. Freak, गैर मामूली इंसान, हैवान या कोई चीज़. Anything which is abnormal, unusual, unexpected. For example, see in these pictures. This guy is freak because he is behaving in a freaky way. This joker is a freak. This animal is freak because it has extra legs. It's unusual. This tree is freak because it's unusual. Frown, नापसंदीदगी और गहरी सोच की वजह से भवें चढ़ाना या माथे पे बल डालना. To contract brow as in displeasure and deep thought. A facial expression of dislike. Have a look on these examples. In this picture, I have a frown face because of being worried and sad. And in this second picture, the concentration and confusion is the reason for the frown face. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at English with A.L. Shabir for more vocabulary videos.